What are we doing today?
I'm draining.
3-man boat party.
Boat party? I love boat parties. Then you Bluetooth your GoPro and listen to our
Just like from like 2000 or yeah, the second gen one. If I'll pull the boat closer.
Alright, are you watching this?
There they go, now!
Who's gonna drive this? How do we know how to drive it?
How's it going?
Are you the stripper?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Italian.
Yeah.
It must be he's a food.
They're crazy.
He's doing everything, mate. Come on, Jimmy. One more, big one.
Big boy! Pull that. Nice. Woo!
Jeremy is pivotal, you get that right now.
Woo!
Hey! This is one of Amy's videos again.
Hey, man. I see leather.
Oh my god.
You got a bottle socket.
Yeah.
Nah. Let me hand it vlog style.
Vlog style.
Who's got it?
Yeah, who's Jono? I love you, Jono!
Never let go, Jack. I love you, Jack.
Happy birthday, dear Jono.
Didn't have a candle.
I have a candle.
Yeah, Marcus.
Woo!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hey, Josh, Marcus, you wanted some?
Nice.
Yeah, Joe's down. Yeah, it does. Looks pretty good. Do you have siblings?
No.
What are you looking at?
Yeah. Could be like late. No, hit it.